Thing loaded. Forgot to add a little bit more butter. Now that we got that in there, we got it all loaded up. Here we're going to fire it. We're going to fire this white piece of metal up on the hill. Thompson center fire muzzle loader. Hope y'all enjoy the video.
Get it?
Okay.
Let me record you too.
We got Jullian out here today. We're going to let him shoot this Thompson Triumph muzzle loader, 50 caliber. Jullian's first time with a really big gun. He'll do just fine. We're going to let him shoot at something up there on the hill. Anytime you're ready, Jullian. Dang! Look at that. Okay, we got Jullian with the 50 caliber muzzle loader again. Gotta love the smell of black powder in the morning.